Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro without password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. Please only try to unlock your device, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that basically we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and that will cause that all of our data will be deleted from our tab. So if you don't have a backup, I'm sorry, you will lose everything that you had on your device. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, our tab will want us to verify ourselves, or by typing the lock screen. Of course, we cannot remember it, but we can select the second option, which will be during the setup process, and we will have to verify by signing in into the account on which we were logged in before the reset, the Google account. If you also don't remember it, you shouldn't perform that, or you can perform a bypass of this Google verification. If you don't know how to perform it, on our channel there are plenty of videos about it, how to perform that. Okay, so now, before we start, we need to connect our device into PC or laptop using USB-C cable. Just like that. And now, even that we have only access into, the lock screen, we cannot even turn off the device, because as we open up the power menu, just like that, when I'll tap on power off, the device will still want us to type the password. Of course, we cannot remember it. So we need to perform a force restart, and during that force restart we need to change the button combination. To perform a force restart, first we need to keep holding the power button and volume down button until we see the Samsung logo, and after that we need to quickly change and start holding power button and volume up button. Let me show you how to do it. So first, power button and volume down button until the screen turns off. Okay, and now quickly switch and start holding power button and volume up button. Remember that your device needs to be connected to the PC or laptop. Okay, keep holding power button and volume up button, and we should get into the recovery mode, just like that. Okay, to move around this menu, we use volume keys. Now we need to select wipe data/factory reset. You can also see the thing that I was talking about before. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. Okay, now select wipe data/factory reset, confirm by clicking power button, select factory data reset once again, confirm. Okay, we can see that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now, confirm. And now our tab will be turned on, and we need to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.